guys, this is Miss Shelby, one of your city years, and I'm going to make a quick little video showing you guys how to make a to-do list. So what you want to do, you want to jot down the different things that you may need to do for the day. So I came up with just a couple of things that maybe I would need to do during the day if I were you. So I'd say maybe talk to my teacher, maybe finish math work. And then you can also add in chores. It doesn't have to all be specifically things for school. So if you have chores that you have to get done every day, so we can add that on there. So maybe like feed the dog and clean the kitchen. So what you want to do essentially, like whenever you are making a to-do list, you want to do it in order of what's important. And you make little boxes so that way you can check them off. So for me, I would do feed the dog first because it's very quick, easy, and your dog does need to be fed. So I would feed the dog, and then I would probably work on some math. So we'll say finish math. So that way that will be out of the way. You can turn it in. And then after that, I would probably clean the kitchen. Because I don't know about you guys, but my mom does not like the kitchen to be dirty when she comes home. So I would clean the kitchen. Then after that, I would talk to my teacher about, whatever it is that I need to talk to her about. Maybe if it's regarding an assignment or something I didn't understand. So anything like that. So I would do it in order about like that. And as you go through and finish them off, you just check them, or you can color the boxes in. It's really whatever you want to do. So I also want to throw in there if there's something that you need to do multiple times a day. So I would say maybe take a brain break, which I would hope that you guys are doing, just to give you guys a little bit of time to relax. So 3x would be 3 times. So maybe taking a brain break 3 times a day. So you can either do 3 boxes like this, or I personally like this method where you just do 1 box and you just section it off like that. So you can either do, like, if you're taking it 3 times a day, you can go through and check it. 1 brain break, 2, 3. Or you can do it like this, where you shade in your box, and then you have another one. And then you know that you have another brain break to take. And by then, you've taken all your brain breaks. So that's essentially what I would do. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys just a small and simple way of how to make a to-do list. I hope this helps you guys.